Working in service, quick fixes often lead to the same headaches over and over, draining time, energy, and money. We've been there. We know the grind. And honestly, we got so fed up, we built something better. Meet Ecotrak. It's not just alerts, it's proactive insights that keep your equipment running like clockwork, helping you think long-term. We're more than technology. We're part of your crew. That teammate who's got your back, connecting you with real people when it matters. For easier days, smoother months, stronger years, and yeah, bigger bottom lines. Do more than just get by. Build something that lasts. We're here to make tough jobs easier and hard days smoother every step of the way. Together, we run it. First things first, assets. We didn't just pioneer asset management, we perfected it. Ecotrak sets the standard, so you can track, manage, and optimize with confidence. Then there's the data. Proactive insights keep your equipment running smooth and help you make decisions that pay off long term. These aren't vanity metrics, they're results that go straight to your bottom line. Real results, real savings. And when things get tough, we're in your corner. Real support from real people. The best in your corner. Getting started is quick. No IT headaches, no long ramp up, just a straightforward setup that gets you moving fast. And for your crew in the field, the Ecotrak mobile app places a service request in under 30 seconds, right from their phone. It's built for operators who don't have time to slow down. Ecotrak gives you the platform, the people, and the peace of mind to stop putting out fires and start planning ahead. Don't just fix what's broken, build for the long haul. On average, Ecotrak customers see 15% average R&M cost savings, 5 times return on investment, 30% time saved on work orders. Ready to see the difference? Let's run it together. Book a demo or get started at ecotrak.com.